Two men, two wings, one coastline. Nothing suspicious here. A German man with a look in his eye. He said, "Nice wing." I said, "You wanna try?" I handed him my Albatroxx, pink and blue. We held it gently like a gentleman should do. I pulled out my old Mouette instead. He checked my lines, I checked his overhead. Then we ran together straight into the breeze. Two grown men doing whatever we please. He went up, I came behind, nice and close, right on his line. People down below started pointing our way. So let me make one little thing very clear today. We are not gay. We just do porno paragliding, side by side, and the whole damn coastline sliding. We are not gay. We just like sharing wings. Mine sure, thine sure. Baby, that's just how we swing. He was riding my wing and handling it fine. I stayed right behind him, enjoying the line. Sometimes he was high, sometimes I was low. Sometimes two men just gotta go with the flow. He pushed it forward, I pulled mine back. We found the rhythm and stayed on track. And now we're together with hardly a word. Just two happy pilots looking slightly absurd. Closer now, nice and slow. Feel that pressure, feel it grow. The people on the beach kept staring our way. So once again, for everybody watching today, we are not gay. We just do porno paragliding. Two men in the air, and the soundtrack's getting exciting. We are not gay. We just swap wings all day. Mine sure, thine sure. Get your dirty thoughts away. Nice swing. Very responsive. Good handling. German engineering. His hands on the brakes, my eyes on his rear. Perfect formation, nothing weird here. He turned to the left, I followed him round. Two men getting higher while staying off the ground. Pink wing above me, see down below. Sweaty little helmets and nowhere to go. If loving this feeling is somehow a crime, then lock up both pilots, we're having a wonderful time. Mine sure, thine sure. My wing, your hands, your wing, my eyes. No, 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 no. That's not what I meant. We're just pilots, professional men, doing perfectly normal, manly things with harnesses, straps, helmets, and each other's equipment. Okay, that sounded worse. We are not gay. We just do porno paragliding, side by side, with our beautiful equipment Danschen. And that's the part we like the most. We are not gay, we just love flying this way. Two men, two wings on a hot summer day. Danschen, scheißegal, my friend. If the wind keeps blowing, we'll do it all again. Two men, one rich, shared equipment, deep concentration. Pornographic paragliding, strictly aerodynamic.
Landed. And now
1 hour.
No, 1 hour?
Yeah.
Oh, I felt like 2 or 3 hours.
And nice over there.
Yeah, this is my favorite spot there here.